tell you about the igloo theory. We try to use the igloo theory whenever we go fishing. And here's how it goes. The igloo theory is how far a person will carry an igloo cooler to sit down and fish. So we want to go past where they will put down their igloo cooler. That's how it works out. There's several piers in this area, okay? And the people, they want to go fishing and they want to catch perch, and you know, they always want to eat perch and that kind of stuff. But we don't fish for a lot of perch because there's so many people that they go with their igloos. And they go out to the pier, and there's like, I say 35 people. They're all lined up around this pier. And there's seagulls pooping on everybody the whole time. They walk up there, they got their lawn chairs, they got their whole clan. They got their kids and their wife and the whole deal. They got their bucket full of shiners. You know, and they walk up and they find a spot that there aren't people already. They plop down their igloo cooler. They open up their chair. And then they open up their bucket of shiners, and then everybody's all got to fish at once. So there's one guy, and he's usually the dad sap. He's got to get everybody all baited up. So they got their spreaders. It's got 6 hooks on. You know, they're all over the place. 3 sets of them. You know, they got shiners on every one of them. And then you get the first little kid. You know, you got to start with him. He flings it out there, and he crosses 6 people's other lines. It's already out there, you know. And the dad's like, well, he's got to get everybody else hooked up. So he gets everybody all hooked up, and they're sitting in their chairs, and they fling them out there. And next thing you know, somebody comes across, and they snags one of their lines. You know, of course, it's always the dad. So he's all snagged up, and he's got to work on this deal here. And then the kid gets a fish. The kid gets a fish, you know. So now the dad's got to drop his line, and he goes over there, and the kid's fighting like crazy, you know, because he got 6 hooks on there, and a 3/4 ounce or an ounce sinker. Always got the ounce sinker on there. And so he pulls that in there, and he's got a sheep head, and the sheep head's 3 inches long. And that's, why would you want to do that? So we go out here and look at this. This is where we fish. There isn't a single person out here, and you know what's most important? There ain't a place to put an igloo cooler. There we go. There's a Fishing Wednesday catch.
There's how you break the skunk.
Caught my fish, Joe.
My birthday.
Happy birthday. Nice.
Alright. Sweet. See if I can find a hook mark in it for you.
It's awesome. Good stuff. Good looking fish, too.
13 incher.
This is how we do it right here. Catch a fish, you got to make sure you get pictures of it, because if you don't get a picture, it's just a story.
Yep, didn't happen. Gotta give the camera to your brother. So
nice, I'll do another one. Yep, go for it. Just like that. Nope, I got a fish. Oh, you're kidding me. Look at that.
Hey, little guy.
You know what, though? That's a fish. It don't matter. That's a fish. Fishing Wednesday right there.
Ain't no skunk on us.
As the sun sets on our day, we spent a couple hours out here. Beautiful weather on March 14th. Didn't catch anything for quite a while and got down to the prime time. Hit a couple before we left. So all in all, it was a pretty good day. Not too bad for a fishing Wednesday.